In today's video, you're going to see how to make rose petal face pack. This homemade rose face pack is amazing for getting glowing, smooth, pinkish and a gorgeous skin. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and watch till the end. We all know that rose is the queen of flowers. Beautiful rose petals bring natural and radiant glow to your skin. Rose petals contain vitamin E, which hydrates the skin and improves skin complexion. Rose petal also have antibacterial properties, which helps to remove dark circles and get rid of acne or pimples too. So, without wasting time, let's get into the video. Our first remedy is rose petal and milk face pack. So what you have to take is dry rose petal powder and milk. How to use: mix dry rose petal powder and milk and make a paste. Apply this face pack on your face and after 15 to 20 minutes wash it off with cold water. Repeat this remedy once or twice in a week in order to get that glowing, pimple-free and spotless clear skin. So the next remedy is rose petals and yogurt face pack. An ingredient for this remedy is few rose petals, then 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of yogurt and at last rose water. How to use this: mix the rose petal with gram flour, yogurt and rose water to make a thick paste. After making it a paste, apply on your face and leave it on for a few minutes for dry. Now, wash your face with cold water. Now you may ask why this works, because yogurt contains lactic acid, which is helping in removing your dead skin cells. It also gives you a natural glow and prevent breakouts. So the next remedy is rose petal and sandalwood powder. What you have to take is 2 tablespoons of sandalwood powder, then 2 tablespoons of milk and few rose petals. This is up to your preference, that whether you take dried rose petals or fresh rose petal, but I would recommend you guys to use dried rose petal because it will get blended well. So how to use this: blend these ingredients together and make a smooth paste. Apply this paste on your skin and then leave this pack for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with cool water. Repeat this twice a week for best result. Sandalwood powder contains antibacterial element that protect our face from aging, tighten your loose skin. Then another property which is very important is that it has antiseptic properties, so that our face always look young. Apart from this, it also helps to remove suntan. So our last remedy is rose petal and honey face pack. What you have to do is take 1 tablespoon of honey and then some rose petal powder. How to use this: add rose petal powder as per your choice, then 1 tablespoon of honey and rose water. Mix it well, apply this paste on your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash your face with water. So honey contains antibiotics and antioxidant and lot of vitamins which keep your skin young, reduces pimple and maintain the glow of the skin. So try these homemade rose petal face pack to get pink and soft skin like rose. After trying it out, don't forget to comment down on the comment section. If you liked the content, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So keep sharing, keep loving, take care, bye bye.